A lower plenty snake in a bird aviary. It's warming up, isn't it?
We blocked up the last hole.
Yeah.
But we don't know where this one's gone.
Okay.
Back so early.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, when was I here last? Not 6 months ago, yeah. Alright, oh, so it's presumably...
He's in underneath, you come down this side.
Okay.
There's a rectangular bucket underneath.
Yep.
That catches the water.
Yep.
And when I pull the door open, you hinge it from the top.
Oh,
It
yeah.
hinges from the bottom, but you open it from the top.
And you can
it was
lift it
curled
out.
up between the door and the bucket.
Alright. So I can move that thing and get under it?
Well, you can
No,
move the
don't
back
worry.
door. You'll have to go in the back.
Rightio. No worries. Alright.
It's only still there.
Let's go and have a look. Tiger snake, I presume.
Tiger snake.
A big one?
Well, all curled up, but he looked as big as the last one.
Yeah.
Right, in you go.
Rightio. So what do you reckon the best angle is from the back here?
No, I'd be kind of, now just go down. Wait a minute, we'll pull this out of the way, gives you a bit more background.
No
Just
worries.
a minute.
Hello birdies. Do you reckon he's eating a bird or
I think,
like last time?
Yes.
You just flip that up.
Yep.
The whole thing comes out, but normally you just let it fall down. So if you want to do it slowly so you can see what's there,
That's what I'll do.
you can do that. So just flip that one
Yeah,
up
no
out of the
worries.
way.
Alright, I'll get myself ready here.
He didn't look like he moved when I opened up.
I've been getting a few in aviaries, you know. I got a big brown the other day.
Oh, okay.
And it had eaten 2 budgies. It was a monster. Oh, yeah. Nice little banded specimen, that one. Oh, he's beautiful little specimen. Have a look at that.
Yeah. Well, he's as big as the last one.
No, this one's smaller.
You
No, I
reckon?
think he's smaller.
Yeah, a lot smaller. Hello, mate. I'm going to move you on.
See, he's small enough that he could have got in anywhere.
Yeah, we'll have to have a look at the aviary and see.
Yeah. Well, we found a spot last time.
And we fixed that up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's going to be harder to get them in there.
I'll get him.
You'll get him.
It's alright. We're showing off the camera. Yeah, the other one would have been, or at least double the size of that one.
I think.
Well, when you held the other one up, you almost touched the ground. So I don't think that one's big.
Nah, and the other one I got here was a really lovely coloured specimen as well.
Probably well.
Oh, that's the way we breed them.
Mate, you breed the really pretty snakes here, that's for sure.
You want to get that bucket out?
Oh, I'll get him.
No.
I'll get him. Oh, I'll answer that later. Answer that later. Alright, mate. Isn't it the way? Another call. I know who that is.
You can go right around the bucket.
Yeah. Does that bucket come out easily? Or?
Oh, it's full of water.
Oh, yeah. Might be time for a water change. Here we go. Come on, mate. He's not going to be happy now. He's going to go, what are you doing to me? So I'll just put him straight in the bag, I think.
Yeah. We have this in the bag.
Yeah, don't want to muck around with him. He's getting a bit fired up.
Didn't lock it in there, did I?
No, it's alright.
Well, we might have. We could do it automatically.
Alright, well, that's another one in the bag.